Bill Cosby, the disgraced comedian once known as America's Dad, is a free man released from prison today after Pennsylvania's highest court threw out his sexual assault conviction.
This was a stunning development, really, and Fox 10's Justin Lum spoke with a legal expert on how this decision unfolded and joins us live now with that story. Justin.
Well, Mark, Christina, after serving 3 years in prison, 83-year-old Bill Cosby is back home with his family. The first celebrity to be tried and convicted in the Me Too era cannot be retried again.
Mr. Cosby, we knew all along he never should have been prosecuted for this. He had every right to rely on the prosecutor's word.
Bill Cosby did not say a word to the press, but flashed the V for Victory sign to supporters waiting outside his home after a shocking reversal of his sexual assault conviction. The court ruled that the prosecutor who brought the case was obligated by his predecessor's promise to not charge Cosby.
I think it was the appropriate decision. I do think it's very important, even in highly publicized cases, that our Constitution is followed.
Richard Klein is a professor at Toro Law School, a former criminal trial attorney following this high-profile case. Cosby served nearly 3 years of his 3 to 10 year sentence for drugging and violating Andrea Constant in 2004. He was arrested in 2015 when the district attorney used newly unsealed evidence from a lawsuit brought by Constant, specifically Cosby's deposition.
And his testimony at the civil case was used by the prosecution against him.
Over the last several years, more than 60 women have come forward accusing Cosby of sexual assault. Klein says the court's ruling does not impact alleged rape victims in future cases.
This doesn't deal with not believing women. It just deals with a situation where a prosecutor makes a promise to a defendant, and then the prosecutor's office is bound to adhere to that promise.
Andrea Constant released a statement after Cosby's conviction was overturned. She says, in part, today's majority decision regarding Bill Cosby is not only disappointing but of concern in that it may discourage those who seek justice for sexual assault in the criminal justice system from reporting or participating in the prosecution of the assailant, or may force a victim to choose between filing either a criminal or civil action. Cosby also took to social media to thank his supporters, saying he has always maintained his innocence. He also thanked Pennsylvania's Supreme Court for upholding the rule of law. Reporting live, Justin Lum, Fox 10 News.